Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to make a Facebook avatar using the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. In early 2020, Facebook rolled out the ability for users to create Facebook avatars which are cartoon-like caricatures of themselves. After making a Facebook avatar, users can then use Bitmoji-like stickers of their avatar to comment on other people's posts. You can also set your Facebook avatar as your temporary profile picture with different poses available for you to choose from. Creating your Facebook avatar only takes a few minutes. Now let's walk through the steps to create your Facebook avatar on an iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 1. Launch the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Tap to open someone's post like you're going to comment on it, and then tap the smiley face icon on the comment line. The Stickers menu is displayed. Step 2. Tap the avatar icon in the Stickers menu. A prompt for you to get stickers of yourself is displayed. Tap Make Your Avatar in this section. Tap Next to get through any screens that appear, giving you an overview of avatars on Facebook until you arrive at the Get Stickers of You screen, and then tap Get Started. A screen asking you to choose your skin tone is displayed. Step 3. Select your skin tone and then tap Next. You'll land on your Facebook avatar creator screen. Step 4. Tap the mirror icon at the top of the Facebook avatar editor. Video from your front-facing camera will be displayed next to your avatar to give you a frame of reference while creating your avatar. You may need to give Facebook access to your device's camera to use this feature. Step 5. Tap to choose the hairstyle for your Facebook avatar. You can choose from short, medium, or long hair, and then tap the hair color icon to choose your hair color. Step 6. Continue working through the menu directly beneath the preview of your Facebook avatar to choose a face shape, eye shape and color, makeup, eyebrow type and color, eyewear and eyewear color, nose type, lip type and color, facial hair and color, body shape, clothing, and hat color. Tap the check mark at the top of the screen after making selections for all of these options. A preview screen appears showing you your final Facebook avatar. Step 7. Tap Next and then tap Next again through any screens that appear telling you how to use your Facebook avatar in comments. Another screen appears asking if you want to set your Facebook avatar as your temporary profile picture. In this example, I'll choose Skip. You'll land on your Facebook avatar editor. On this screen, you can tap the share icon to make your Facebook avatar your temporary profile picture, the stickers icon to see all of the stickers available associated with your Facebook avatar, or edit to edit your Facebook avatar. Step 8. Tap the X to close your Facebook avatar editor. Going forward, you can access your Facebook avatar stickers by tapping the smiley face icon in the comment line of any post and then tapping the Facebook avatar stickers icon. All of your Facebook avatar stickers will be available for you to use. You can also tap Edit Avatar in this area to return to your Facebook avatar editor. Let me know what you think of Facebook avatars in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my website to see more great tutorials like this one.